Let's say you've created this beautiful spreadsheet, other users are in it, and they're misspelling things, so now your formulas are all out of whack. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to do a drop-down list and eliminate that issue. So here's the situation. I've got a price list here with a bunch of fruits and vegetables listed in column A. I also have a sales price for each item in column B. I have another tab labeled receipt. And here I have the ability to type in apples with the quantity of 1. And I have a sum-ifs formula. If you want to learn about a sum-ifs formula, stay tuned for another tutorial. This sum-ifs formula is going to tell me the price based on quantity. 1 is $1. 2 is $2. But what if we have an individual that accidentally types in the wrong thing? In order to eliminate that issue, we're going to create a drop-down list. First thing you need to do, select the range in which you want to add drop-downs to. In this case, it's on the table that we have here. Go up to the Data tab, then go to Data Validation. Click Data Validation. Then underneath the Settings tab, you want to click on Allow List. And underneath Source, we're going to select the list. It's that simple. You can kind of shrink this down by clicking here and maybe make it a little bit easier to view. Come down here, click on the price list. Since this is a table, I can just hover over this line and see where I get that arrow. Click, and it will highlight that column. Now, hit the Enter key, click OK, and we are in business. That is our drop-down list. Mushrooms, $4.88. Great value. I hope that you've gained some value from this video. Please continue to follow along because I've got a lot more content to bring you. Now, if you have any frustrations within Excel, please let me know. Leave a comment down below and I'll make another video for you. God bless.